In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a pivot table to a regular table in Excel. Let's open an Excel document. This is a pivot table that I have taken as an example. A pivot table takes the data from a table and sorts it with the duplicate values. You may have created a pivot table to summarize some data, and after getting the results, you now need to convert the result to a regular table. A pivot table is always connected to the source data, so converting it to a regular table will sever that link. To convert, select and copy the pivot table. Select a cell where you want to paste the data. Right-click on the selected cell. In the drop-down menu, click on Paste Special. In the Paste section, select Values. Click on OK. Here you can see that we have successfully converted a pivot table to a regular table.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.